If you're over 60 and you've been drinking the same herbal teas every winter, I need you to stop for a moment. Because new studies reveal that many seniors may actually be weakening their immune systems without realizing it. In a large-scale 2023 study involving more than 7,000 adults over the age of 65, researchers discovered something remarkable. Those who regularly drank herbal teas had a significantly lower risk of decline in daily activity levels. This means these teas don't just support your immune system, they also help maintain your overall energy and mobility. But here's the key point. When consumed at the wrong time or prepared the wrong way, these benefits almost disappear. So it's not about what tea you drink, it's about how and when you drink it. That's the part most people never pay attention to. In this video, I'll share 3 powerful herbal teas that can truly strengthen your body this winter. One helps relieve the flu fast. Another warms you from the inside and boosts your immune defense. And the third one protects both your heart and your mind. Once you learn how each one works, you'll never make your tea the same way again. Before we begin, I have a small request. Tell me your age and which city you're watching from in the comments below. This information will help others, especially those living in cold climates, benefit from what you're about to learn. Let's not waste any more time and get started.
1. Herbal remedy for flu and colds: onion, marshmallow flower, and pomegranate peel. One of the most common illnesses during winter is the flu. Your nose runs, your eyes water, your throat burns, and fatigue sets in. In such times, one of the most effective natural remedies to strengthen your immune defense is the onion remedy. You can apply this simple recipe twice a day to support your body and ease symptoms like a runny nose or cough. How should you prepare the onion remedy? Peel 1 medium-sized onion. Boil it in half a liter of water for about 5 minutes. Once it cools slightly, strain and drink it warm in the morning and evening. The natural compounds in onions protect your body from microbes, soothe inflammation in the respiratory tract, and make it harder for viruses to multiply. However, if onions cause stomach discomfort, especially for those with gastritis or ulcers, you should avoid this remedy. For those people, there's an excellent alternative: the pomegranate peel tea. How should you prepare the pomegranate peel tea? Add 2 coin-sized pieces of pomegranate peel to 1 cup of water. Boil for about 4 minutes. Optionally, you can add 4 or 5 cloves for extra benefit and flavor. Drink this mixture twice a day to help relieve throat infections and inflammation caused by cold or flu viruses. If coughing is also an issue, you can include marshmallow flower tea as additional support. Boil 6 or 7 marshmallow flowers in 1 cup of water for 5 minutes. Drink it warm. It soothes the throat and helps reduce phlegm naturally. Remember, these remedies do not replace your doctor's prescribed medications. However, they can support your recovery process and help relieve symptoms naturally.
2. Ginger tea, your natural winter shield. One of the most trusted protectors of the cold season is ginger. For centuries, both traditional medicine and modern science have recognized it as one of the most powerful immune boosters. Ginger helps your body fight infections, warms you up from within, and keeps your energy stable. Our elders used to drink ginger tea a few days before long trips to prevent nausea, and it still works perfectly today. Ginger reduces nausea, supports digestion, and helps the body recover faster during flu or cold. How should you prepare ginger tea? Cut a 1 or 2 centimeter piece of fresh ginger root. Boil it in 1 cup of water for 5 to 6 minutes. After removing it from the heat, let it cool slightly. You can add 1 teaspoon of honey and a few drops of lemon juice for a soothing and tasty blend. The fresher the ginger,
the stronger the effect. Powdered or pre-ground ginger loses most of its beneficial oils over time, so always use fresh root ginger whenever possible. Ginger tea also helps you sweat and release toxins naturally. If you drink it when you have the flu, it helps the body detox through sweat and recover more quickly. A small note of caution: if you are taking blood-thinning medication, avoid drinking too much ginger tea, as it can enhance those effects. In short, ginger tea is much more than a hot drink. It's a natural ally for your immune system. Drinking a cup of fresh ginger tea every morning can keep your digestion strong and your body protected throughout the winter.
3. Sage tea. Healing from throat to heart. One of the most familiar and soothing aromas of winter is sage tea. Used for centuries for its healing properties, sage supports the immune system and helps maintain oral and throat health. Sage is especially effective for tonsillitis, sore throats, and pharyngitis. Gargling with warm sage tea can ease throat irritation and help eliminate microbes. You can prepare it the night before and use it in the morning as a gargle before leaving the house. It's safe for children too. Having them gargle once before school can protect them from throat infections naturally. How should you prepare sage tea? Add 1 teaspoon of dried sage leaves to a cup of boiling water. Cover and let it steep for 5 to 6 minutes. Strain and drink it warm. You can also add a bit of honey or lemon juice for taste. Sage isn't only beneficial for the throat, it also supports memory, focus, and heart health. Research shows that regular consumption of sage tea improves mental clarity, balances blood pressure, and supports healthy blood vessels. However, if you have high blood pressure or a chronic condition, consult your doctor before drinking sage tea regularly. To sum it up, sage tea is more than just a winter drink. It's a source of natural healing, protecting your body from throat to heart, from mind to immunity. With every sip, you can feel the calm and comfort that nature provides.
If this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your loved ones. In our next videos, we'll continue discovering simple, natural methods and small secrets for a healthier life together.